Hey everybody, this is your realtor Janine Scott with eXp Realty, coming to you from 2834 Beech Grove Road, Roseland, Virginia. Having an open house today on this beautiful home. I'm just gonna walk through and show you a little bit of this property. Can you hear that? Right on your own property. Over to my left, you've got a really cool chicken coop, 2-car garage, storage building, other little outbuildings. Just over 7 acres on this property. The grand entrance. Beautiful. I'm gonna take you inside. As you enter, of course, you can see the kitchen right away. To the right is powder room. To the left is your laundry and utility room. The house was built in 1921, and as you can see, it's completely renovated. Beautiful appliances and upgrades. My little open house snacks. This house is coming completely furnished for $650,000. So if you know anybody that wants a retreat home near Wintergreen, send them my way to look at this beautiful property. This is your primary bedroom with a little sitting area. Of course, we're still here on the first floor. And as you'll see, you won't have to use this as your primary. We're going to go upstairs now. Beautiful wide stairs. You go upstairs, that beautiful chandelier. Oh my gosh. Another beautiful one. This little area is just kind of a sitting area. Of course, if you wanted to put this on the Wintergreen rental market, you certainly could, and rent the house out while it's not in use if you're not going to use it as your full-time residence. Beautiful bathroom. Spa-like. Double vanities. Beautiful fixtures. That's just a closet and another full bath upstairs. Separate toilet area. Beautiful spa-like walk-in and sit-down shower. This is the room that I would use for my primary. Of course, it has the TV and the gas logs. They have it set up for another little sitting area. This just goes back over to the other bedroom. Okay. 2834 Beech Grove Road, Nelly's Ford, Virginia. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 434-826-9017. I'm your realtor, Jeanine Scott. Thank you.